Hey y'all, good afternoon. We are back. So right now is MINXSTOBER. So the whole month of October, I will be putting out a vlog every single week. I'm gonna be committed to that. So I'm gonna be showing you guys behind the scenes of what I do as a lash tech educator, just my day-to-day life, y'all, and show you guys a little bit more of who I am as Ashley Minx. So I will be showing you guys the whole month. I'll be putting out a vlog. So right now, this week in this vlog, I have a 2-day in-person lash training class, y'all, that I will be teaching someone how to do lashes. She's traveling from another state. I'm not sure what state she's coming from, but she is coming from a different state. So right now it is Sunday, October 5th. And I'm about to go ahead and run a few errands. I have to go ahead and set up my studio, make it nice for her for when she does come. I'll be teaching her how to do lashes on October 8th and October 9th. So I'm right now practicing. Well, not practicing. Right now I'm prepping and I'm about to go ahead and start running errands. So I'm going to take y'all with me. I have a few places I have to go today. So I have to go to IKEA. I got to go to Staples, and I have to go run like to the grocery store and whatnot. But I have to go do a few errands, y'all. So I will be taking you guys along with me and showing you guys behind the scenes of what I be doing. Y'all, so we're in Target. I'm looking for a desk. That's what we came here for. So hopefully I don't come out with something else. So yeah, we on the hunt for a desk. Y'all, these are cute. Okay, Target. This is cute. So I wasn't able to find a desk in Target, so we're gonna go to CJ Maxx and hopefully I see something there. I don't know, y'all, but we're gonna go there now. So I'm a little upset. I was not able to get my desk and everything from IKEA, y'all, but we're gonna do everything tomorrow because it is Sunday, so everything do close like at 6 p.m. Everything closes a little early on Sundays here in Georgia, so yeah. So I'm gonna go there tomorrow, Monday, early in the morning, and I'm gonna go to IKEA and do what I have to do tomorrow. But right now, y'all have to go inside Dollar Tree and dilly and dally in there and get some stuff out there if I need for the house. I got the Halloween stuff out. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna dress up this year though. Gotta get me some pants out for the house. Which one I wanna go? Need to go to Big Bottle. And probably get. Oh no, let me see. I got this extra clean one. I'm just sending over the certificates, y'all, so they can get printed. That's one of the things I have to do today because I wasn't able to do it yesterday.
It's good. Was there anything else you needed or just...
That's it. So besides me having a long day today, y'all, I legit got a lot of the stuff done too though. So like she already have her supplies and everything, y'all, for the training. I already got that together. Thank God. I already have her 2 models as well. She's gonna have a model per day that she's gonna be working on. I'm gonna be showing you guys behind the scenes of that as well. Like this whole little MINXSTOBER thing, y'all, I'm finna really show out and I'm finna really show y'all what I be doing for real, y'all, because again, like I do want to come out my shell a lot more, y'all, on YouTube, and just bringing out my camera a lot more, y'all, and just showing you guys everything that I be doing, y'all, because I am really who I say I am. Like no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Like I am who I be saying, like, you know. So this is right here, y'all. This right here is gonna be like the time where I'm really gonna go so hard on YouTube and just I'm gonna really take this month of October really seriously with my content, my Twitch, everything. So y'all not already, make sure y'all subscribe and hit the follow button on YouTube and Twitch. All right, y'all, make sure y'all hit that follow button and subscribe. Okay, but yeah, I'm really trying to take this content thing more seriously because y'all already know with the whole YouTube thing, y'all. I have one requirement that I need to be monetized on this channel, and I'm really trying to go hard with that and try to hit that goal by the time 2025 ends. So I'm gonna try to go a little bit more hard with my content, post at least maybe about twice a week. You know, I think I could do that. It's just the editing thing, y'all, but I'm gonna have to get out my head, like for real. Like how I be telling y'all to get out your head, I'm gonna have to get out my head and just get to work. Like all you have to do, y'all, is do the things that you don't want to do, and then once you do the things that you want to do, everything is gonna be, it's gonna becoming like normal thing to you guys. You know what I'm saying? Like it's gonna become a lot easier once you start taking action. So what I be telling y'all and preaching to y'all, I'm gonna have to preach to myself, and I'm gonna have to just start doing it. Like, no, I just have to. I just got to. Besides my long day, y'all, I'm very excited to be getting my hair done. I've been having these braids in for the longest. I've been having these braids in for the longest, y'all. One thing about me, y'all, I love me some braids, and I love me like a wake up and go type of hairstyle. But for the training, I'm definitely gonna get my hair done, y'all. I gotta look like something. Okay, so I'll be getting my hair done tomorrow. I'm very excited for that. I'm also gonna vlog my hairstyle as well while I'm getting my hair done. But yeah, I'm very excited to just have my maintenance day. Okay, I'm gonna also do my nails. That's gonna be another video too, y'all. I love to do press-ons. I'm a press-on girly, so I'm probably gonna do a separate video and show you guys of me like doing my nails as well.
You recording time lapse?
Sometimes like it's like when I'm in the vlogs, yeah.
Okay.
But I just cut it and chop it, you know, what I want to. But
And how much was your camera?
this was, well, at the time it was $4.99.
$4.99.
$5.99, what now?
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know.
How you gonna do it?
I'm not gonna try nothing different this
Okay,
time.
okay.
I was thinking though, like if it was in a ball like this and then wrapped around like that, then it could be split. That's what I was thinking. But
Like, what you like, a 2 ponytails?
not 2 ponytails, but like so it's not just going
One
to the
thing.
back, so it can be hanging to the side like
And
this.
one
You get
to-
what I'm saying?
Yeah. I got
It's
you.
okay. We'll try another time.
Okay.
All I wanna know is if it's cool. We can do a little something, a little something, something. Let me do with you, oh baby, so we can give a little something, something. Even though she pays me no attention, all I wanna show is my affection. Lose myself inside her ebony. She ain't even checking me. Oh, yeah, it's cool, baby. Do a little something, a little something, something. With you, oh, baby, so we can give a little something, something.
So y'all, this is where I'm gonna be changing it up. I just added the table here on this side. I'm gonna actually put a picture so you guys can see what it looked like before on this side. So I just added the little white shelf right here. Gonna add this table right here, and then I'm gonna add the little chairs right here. So this part right here, you guys, is gonna be, you know, the academy side. And then as y'all know, on the other side is where I actually do lashes at. So yes, y'all. So again, y'all, my mama came in clutch for this table. It is perfect.
We should have just put that sign over there for now.
What sign?
That
I mean, y'all want to move down with me, y'all?
is it time consuming?
No, I just sticked it with thumbtacks, and then me and Yoli just wrapped it. We could just transfer it over, honestly.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Try doing that.
We can do it.
Let's put this back in.
Okay, that's fine.
Now how we do that?
Okay, we can just take it down.
Is it a thumbtack?
Let's do this one right here. Let's start over
it's
here.
one.
It's a
Let's do the
thumbtack.
thumbtack?
Yeah, for this section.
Okay.
That's one. Okay, let's go back.
Okay.
How we should do it, Mom? It's recording.
I can just pull it. I'm trying to see the size of the bottom. Just the bottom.
We would have been here like the other side of my studio space. So this is actually where I do lashes at, y'all. So again, this is the academy, and then this is the studio. Love it. Hey y'all, good morning. It is currently 9:29. So I have an hour until the first day of the 2-day lash training class. So right now, you guys, I already prepped and everything like that. So right now I'm just about to do my nails. I'm also going to record a separate video showing you guys how I do my press on nails, but right now I ain't got time to show y'all right now. So I'm about to do my nails and I'm about to head out and head to the studio. So yeah, so I'm excited for today. This is the first day. So again, she is coming out of town, so I don't I just want to be there a little early before she gets there.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. My mind, I'll pack my bag and don't say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it out like this. I wanted to say this. I want us to make it. I'll trade it all for hoping it won't be like that. Hoping that you'll make a change so that I can stay. So bad when it ain't working out. 'Cause I don't want nobody else but you. And I used to be on my relationship.
Are you feeling sensational? What's in that for you, girl? And I know, I wanna go for you. Love like a red up, yeah. You don't need a cruise on a red up. Oh wow, all that is up, yeah. Life's pretty sweet.
Hey y'all, so I am back. I'm actually here. The student should be here, y'all, in like 2 minutes.
Love to the morning, nah, nah, nah. Love to the nighttime, nah, nah, nah. I don't need nobody, yeah. If I give nobody, I don't tell nobody, yeah. I think that she West Coast. Now she want me cool skirt, so me cool skirt, but I think she West Coast. You see, it's obvious, sensational. What's in that for you, girl? And I know, I wanna go for you. Love like All that is a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, can be bitter. It's once you find, oh yeah. She want this, she got this. She no big control, oh yeah.
Tell the people, how was the class? Did you learn anything? What you learned? Just tell your experience.
Oh yeah, I actually learned a lot. It was very informative. It is tedious. It takes a lot of concentration and determination, but of course, yes, I learned about placement. I learned the different variations of the eyelashes, the different textures, how much lashes to place on eyes in terms of whether it's classic, volume, and so forth. Um, I learned how to apply the tape before lash application. I also learned how to remove it after lash application. I learned how to, well, I spoke about how to remove the lashes itself. Yeah, basically, I learned a lot.
All right. And how do you feel after the training?
I feel really good. I feel confident.
Yes.
I know I still need a lot of practice in terms of the fanning, but yeah, I feel confident.